Namaste. I've received a few more books that I had ordered in June, and the package is quite heavy, so there must be multiple books in it. Let's check it out. Okay. So if you have seen my flip through of the similar book earlier, I'll show you which one. So basically, I was looking for the part one of this book, and I had purchased this one thinking that this book is the part one of this, but seems like I never found the part one for this one, and what I thought was the part one was actually the part one of a completely different series. So uh, let's check out the other two volumes that I found in the same series, and hopefully I will start doing a lot of other designs also. So let's go through this. Oh, this one I'm very sure is a repeat, and now I'm worried that these are repeated in this one. Let's see, because this is the one that I had colored. Oh, I am so sad now. And let's see the next one. Yes, it's at least the second page is also exactly the third is also the same. Oh, I have been duped. Yeah, it's the same. So basically it means what they had termed as the Indian part 2, Petals and Pastels, is also the Fabulous Flowers part 2. Yeah, it's exactly the same. Oh my god. I wonder if I can return this book, but maybe I will not, because I do like the designs in it. And then this is the volume 3. So these were the 3 books in that series. Okay, so these are very good. Actually it's quite nice, and it is different, I know that. I mean, I have not seen it in the other parts. And these will be very quick to color with markers. The paper, of course, is the Amazon paper. Wow, I love this one. It's also nice, something different. So I'm fine with this one. I still think the first part of this one, this series, was much better. Uh, of course, the second one was good, but it's a duplicate for me. So, anyways, printed in Italy. Anyways, uh, the other book that I had ordered was this one, Mindfulness Color by Numbers. The only reason I ordered this was because it was on sale, and now I'm regretting it because I'm not sure when I will color in this. So let's see. uh, okay, so there are a lot of portraits in this one. There's a big variety, so statues, monuments, people, even mandalas. So let's see if we can do a quick flip through and make out some designs. Okay, I like the fact that this is on a flap, so no matter on what page you are, you just keep the flap open and then you can use it to color. I hope Creative Heaven can come up with something like this, because it's really bad that they have the index only on the cover page and it's difficult to color. Oh, a owl. I hope it's having very nice colors. I love coloring owls. Ooh, this is something. I think these are small turtles. A lot of turtles or a lot of lizards, I don't know. But it's looking like a geometric pattern from far off. Nelson Mandela, I remember seeing it in the finished pictures. A butterfly, a mandala. Stonehenge, I think so. That's what it is called. This one I cannot make out what. It's the astronaut on the moon. I think this is a peacock stained glass type of design. Okay, this is really interesting and I'm looking forward to coloring in this. The spaces are also quite wide. Maybe I can color a lot of this out with markers. Some of it might need gel pens or pencils because the spaces are a bit smaller. But yeah, generally speaking, I think I should be able to do quite a few of these quick enough. I'm liking what I'm seeing till here. Petra in Jordan, I think so. Birds. But it's color by number, so I don't have to. Bugs. This is too intricate. I'm not even sure if I can see the number in those spaces. It's too small. See how small that is? I'll have to hold it this close to my eyes to read what the number is. Because if I'm keeping it on the desk, this is what I can see. Literally a blur. Or maybe I need to get better glasses. One of the two. Oh, a nice vintage card. I love vintage cards. A flower vase. Geometric patterns. Oh, these are Bharatnatyam dancers. I have learned this dance. I used to perform. But I hope these are Bharatnatyam dancers. I'm not sure, but the dress looks like that. Let's see if I can make out from here. Oh no, they are Odissi. So they are performing Odissi dance. Sorry, because without the colors I couldn't make out much, but when I see the finished picture over here, this is not a Bharatnatyam costume. This is a Odissi dancer costume. Okay, so anyways, let's go back to the picture, which I forgot to mark where I had seen. So sorry. Okay. Yes, this was the one. A surfer. Geometric pattern. I think is this a puppy dog? Maybe a plane. I'm guessing Abraham Lincoln. I hope that was correct. I'm not sure. I'm sorry if it is wrong. Looks like a lotus. Something made from peacock feathers. Parrot. Some sort of a scenery. Is this a Mongolian warrior by any chance? Wow, this is very interesting. Okay. Oh, I'm liking this book really. I hope I can like literally start coloring. This is a very famous painting if I remember correctly. Yeah. I liked it. I liked the book. I think I'm going to like all the finished designs, pages, whatever you want to call it, and I'm super happy that they have this flip out so that I don't have to worry about how I'm going to keep a track of what is required. The only thing that I can, like, if I have to find fault, I would have really preferred if they would have given the number over here of the color that I'm supposed to use, because I'm sure if you can see that there are 28 shades in this, right? And if I would have known out of these 28 how many I need for this page, it would have been easier, because it's going to be so difficult every time to check what color it is. That's the only thing I would say, to make it more user friendly. Like for example, in this butterfly, I'm sure I'm not going to use all 28 colors. So if only I would have known of these 28 which ones I have to use, I would have been a little more happier. But I will give it a 9.5 stars out of 10 if I have to give it a rating. I really liked this book. I also like the quality of the paper. uh, I'm not sure if it's Amazon paper, maybe, but it seems a slightly better quality than Amazon paper, so I'm not sure. The cover itself is also quite thick, much thicker than the usual ones. So these are the books that I had ordered, and I'm looking forward to coloring in these two, and I'm going to check if I can return this. If not, yeah, well, maybe I will have to think about it like any Jade Summer book, right? Half of the pages are duplicated, and in this case it's, for me, a whole book is duplicated. Thanks for stopping by. I will put a link for these books in the description box, and if you have liked the books and you want to purchase, then please do use the link that I have provided. It will help me. And if you have not yet subscribed, then please do subscribe. Before I end the video, all said and done, these series of 3 books, Fabulous Flowers, is really good. If you are somebody who likes to color easy patterns, I will highly recommend you to invest in all the 3 volumes of this series. And I know you must be thinking, what's this funny thing? I've just I don't throw away the tags from my previous months. I just put them on a book cover, and then as I keep on finishing pages this month, I will start using these again till they lose all their stickiness and I have to literally throw them away. I don't like to waste anything. Thanks again for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.